Yeah. So Kapil would like you to come in now. The same question about the digital manager, especially you represent a brand that's been traditionally been very heavy spender on television among all other mediums. So how do you look at this?
First, we still are heavy spenders on television. I don't think that is going to go away anytime soon for anybody who wants to have a mass connect in this country. That's a given. Fact is that it costs a lot and it reaches out to a lot more people. But just to highlight the facts, to answer your first question as to whether there is a market for this or not, I am on Facebook like nearly everybody else is, and my friend goes for a holiday and she posts pictures of herself in the glider she's in, and it's a very nice picture. So I would imagine that the company that organizes this holiday, or the glider company, would probably benefit more by intelligently utilizing the medium and saying, posting her picture themselves so that she gets tagged in their picture and things like that. I saw another friend of mine posted an FHM cover in which Amrita Rao is turned all very hot and sexy and all that stuff. And everybody was tagged in that. So why would I be interested in seeing a cover of a men's magazine on my Facebook account? But because my friend commented on that and I was trying to find him in the picture, which he was not, he was just commenting on it. So it led me to that. So there are ways of using it. I would imagine, I'm sure everybody else has their own ways of doing it. Large companies like Docomo, for example, has made a commercial out of a contribution by a consumer. Is that correct? And the medium like this could generate so much more input, like Vodafone is doing with their best messages. So I think the medium per se has deconstructed communication as a whole. It has democratized it. It has removed a lot of controls that advertisers in a monolithic message were doing that. While they continue to do that, and a penetration not being very high as compared to other countries, we will still take some time. But the rate at which it is growing speaks volumes for the fact that this is a phenomenon which is here to stay, and advertisers like us cannot. Sanjay is far ahead. He has a digital brand manager who's looking into these aspects. Other brands are still looking at it seriously. Some of them are still unaware. They're in their own. But at various stages, advertisers exist. Just like consumers exist in various stages, and just like agencies exist in various stages of expertise. So I think we are all, but you cannot deny the fact that it is so big today. And 11 million and 4 million profiles uploaded in LinkedIn. I think today I got a mail from LinkedIn. 4 million profiles from India. So that's quite an achievement. And I would probably go to a resort from a friend who's on Facebook and read a management book by a friend who's on LinkedIn. And the nature of the media and the kind of genre to which it belongs is going to dictate the kind of usage I derive from there. And it's going to be segmented. As it grows, it's going to get segmented, and we're going to slice it, dice it 6 ways from Sunday so that we make sure that we get what we want.
So you would soon have a digital brand manager?
We would have that function covered. We'll have that covered.